So he was telling me that, like, I just seem really excited that Andrew's back, and I'm like, man, there's multiple different reasons why I'm excited for Andrew to come back. One is obviously, like, dude, I'm excited to have him back. He's a freaking killer. He knows the process. He knows how to close deals extremely well. He learned from me, and so he didn't learn a lot of bad habits. He just knows exactly what to do. So that's pretty cool. The other side is like, dude, I mean, if I'm being honest, like, some part of me, like, of course, like, no matter what, I'm never going to hold anybody back from what their potential is or anything. And like, I always want the best for them. But to say that it's not hard for somebody to leave and that I don't question my leadership ability in that sense would not be true. I question it a little bit, you know, like, oh dang, like, did I serve him the best? Did I teach him the best? Did I do everything the best way possible? Was I a good leader? You know, like, those kind of thoughts still go through my mind. And so him coming back still does, like, make me feel better as a leader because, like, dude, I got some doubts. I have some insecurities and I have some stuff that I go through too, especially as a leader. Sometimes I think that there's a lot of hardships and stuff that people don't really talk about or think about or let people know that they're feeling. Like, especially the insecurities, man. Like, I don't really talk a lot about them, but either way, like, it helped to validate, I would say, of, like, you know, and whether or not he came back, I would still, like, push on. I'm still going to learn. I'm still going to grow. I'm still going to be the best leader I can be. But it just validated, like, dude, finding somebody who cares about your best interests and your growth and actually you as a person is rare. I think that's a rare person to find, and that's what I believe that we do different here, is we care not just about the business, not just about making money, but we care about people, growth, and, like, every aspect of people's lives. And so, yeah, it's just pretty, I call it validating, even though I don't like to use that word, validating that he came back. So I was excited for lots of reasons.